You listen to Quantum Beats.
Yeah, what's up, folks? Merry Christmas. Today is actually updated. I know these videos that you've been seeing, like, they're all old. I just been editing out like a lot of the negative stuff and stuff like that. But yeah, man, happy holidays. If you don't celebrate Christmas or whatever, I haven't really been into Christmas these past couple of years. Just been, probably because I've been working, but even now my family not close. So if you're close with your family, hope y'all have a wonderful Christmas. Me, like I said, just not into the holidays. Maybe it's just because of my family. I'm not too close with them, but yeah, man, happy holidays. If you're a smoker, happy Christmas. To my car people, hope you get our turbos, our pro chargers, our carbon fiber parts, our wheels, whatever. Or if you're like me, you're just happy to be here, just happy to be living and breathing. Happy holidays. To those that we lost, sorry if you lost someone and not here. Yeah, rest in peace to your family. But yeah, man, enjoy the day, I guess. If you're working, get the monies. But yeah, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year. And also, like I said, I don't think I ever mentioned it because I've been posting old videos, but we're coming back. Our podcast is coming back. I'll put the link down in the description. It's called The Viewpoint Podcast. Me and Vince, we're coming back. We're coming back with a vengeance. So we were supposed to do something yesterday with the podcast thing, but Vince, he got one track mind. I love you, Vince, but you be, bro, I don't know what's be going on. But I love you, dude. Happy holidays to all my homies, to all my car homies. I love y'all. Shout out Brad, shout out Keon, shout out Vic, shout out Mark, shout out my bae. You know who you are. Yeah, man, stay humble, stay driven. F cancer. And peace, and I'm out. Yeah. Oh yeah, hold up. Before I'm going to, when is it? On my birthday weekend, I'm going to see my cousin who has cancer. Like, should I vlog that? She doesn't like being on camera because she's police. And like what she does, she can't do it anyway. But should I vlog it? Well, I'm not gonna vlog her, but should I vlog it that weekend? Well, them couple of days that I'm gonna be there, let me know. But alright, I'm out. It's to Atlanta. I'm trying to get her to go to a strip club. But yeah, man. Eesh.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.